Are you looking? Woodworking vises are essential tools for anyone serious about woodworking. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, they provide a secure grip on workpieces, allowing for precise cuts, drilling, and assembly. A good vise can make the difference between a frustrating project and a seamless workflow. In this comparison, we evaluated 5 popular woodworking vises across different price points, from budget-friendly to premium options. List number: Irwin Tools Woodworker's Vise. The Irwin Tools Woodworker's Vise is a compact and affordable option designed for light-duty tasks. Built from forged iron, it offers durability while maintaining a lightweight design. Its 4.5-inch jaw capacity is ideal for smaller projects, and the toe-in design ensures a firm grip on workpieces. The square body allows for easy underbench mounting, and the provision for adding wooden cheeks protects delicate workpieces. In testing, the Irwin Vise performed well for general-purpose woodworking. Its compact size makes it a great choice for users with limited bench space. However, its light-duty construction means it may struggle with heavy clamping tasks. The brushed finish provides a polished look, but the overall build feels less robust compared to higher-end models. It's best suited for hobbyists or those working on smaller projects. List number: Pony Jorgensson 2791 Medium-Duty Woodworker's Vise. The Pony Jorgensson 2791 is a medium-duty woodworking vise that balances affordability and functionality. With a 9-inch by 7-inch jaw size, it offers a generous clamping capacity for medium-sized projects. The vise is designed to mount to the face of workbenches, making it versatile for home workshops or professional settings. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability, and the orange-gray finish adds a professional aesthetic. During testing, this vise excelled in handling medium-duty tasks, such as cabinetry and furniture assembly. The clamping force was consistent, and the vise felt stable during use. However, at nearly 12 pounds, it is heavier than some competitors, which may require additional bench reinforcement. While the build quality is solid, the lack of advanced features like a quick-release mechanism limits its appeal for high-volume users. List number: Yastvis F10W Woodworker's Vise. Front vise, 10-inch woodworking tool, cast iron body construction with a solid steel main screw, blue. The Yastvis F10W is a heavy-duty front vise designed for serious woodworking applications. With a 10-inch jaw width and a solid steel main screw, this vise is built to handle demanding tasks. The cast iron body adds to its durability, and the 15.5-inch screw length provides excellent adjustability. This vise is particularly suited for cabinet making and other precision woodworking tasks. In our tests, the Yastvis F10W stood out for its clamping strength and overall stability. The large jaws and wide opening capacity made it easy to secure larger workpieces. However, its weight, over 6 kilograms, and size make it less suitable for small workbenches. The lack of a quick-release mechanism is a minor drawback, but the vise's performance more than makes up for it. This is a great option for professionals or advanced hobbyists. List number: Pony 26545 4.5-inch by 6.5-inch light-duty woodworker's vise. The Pony 26545 is a budget-friendly, light-duty woodworking vise designed for home use. With a 4.5-inch opening capacity and a 6.5-inch jaw width, it is best suited for small woodworking projects. The cast iron construction with an orange baked enamel finish offers a basic level of durability, while its lightweight design makes it easy to install and use. For its price, the Pony 26545 delivers decent performance for light-duty tasks. It is ideal for hobbyists or those new to woodworking. However, its smaller size and limited clamping force mean it cannot handle larger or more demanding projects. The finish, while attractive, may wear over time. Overall, it's a good entry-level vise for occasional use. List number: Vivore Woodworking Vise. The Vivore Woodworking Vise is a premium option designed for heavy-duty applications. With a 13-inch jaw width and a quick-release lever. This vise offers impressive performance and convenience. The industrial-grade cast iron construction ensures durability, while the rust-proof coating adds longevity. Its 360 degrees rotatable lever provides flexibility for various angles, making it highly versatile. In use, the Vivore vise demonstrated exceptional clamping strength and stability. The quick-release mechanism was a standout feature, allowing for rapid adjustments. However, at 33.7 pounds, it is significantly heavier than other models, which may be a consideration for portability. The price tag is also on the higher side, but the performance and features justify the investment for professionals or serious woodworkers.